So we're gonna be showing you how to get resource crystals. I'll show you two ways in this video. I'll show you the fastest way second. Alright, so I feel like this is an easier way, but keep in mind I already collected resource crystals. So first what you want to do, you want to grab a grappler. Don't need it, suggestion. And then you want to grab a bag, any type. It could work for any of them, but blue is the best for this. Now you want to grab bombs. Could be any bomb, again. But I like the sticky ones because they stick to the where we're gonna put them. Okay. So now you're just gonna go to sewers. Come on. Alright, so we're gonna go down here to sewers. And then we're gonna okay, we're just gonna wait for a second. We're just gonna kill red like crazy. He gets an everything, so why not just kill him? Alright, now he's dead. You wanna look like for those purple crystals. You wanna go up to them and you wanna just dump out the bomb. Why isn't it coming? Alright, then you just wanna stick it on there. Or if you have another bomb, just throw it at it, you know, that input bomb. You could also do it. See, I just got company coins right there. There, I already made it. Keep that in mind. This place, it's a really good place for it. Just ignore them. You have to be careful with them. The blue, they don't do much. Alright, so for this one, I think I'm just gonna put it like there. Run! Alright. Hey, see, I just got one. Okay, now I showed you that way. We're gonna go back. Alright, so now that we're back from there, we're gonna still want this grappler from the other one. This bag, we're gonna want one dynamite from it. Throw that bag away. We don't need it. Right? Put this, if you have a hip slot, way better. If not, just in the backpack. But with the sticky dynamite. Again, you could use any bomb, except for this one and this one. Just one of these. I mean, you could go crazy and use an RPG one, but, you know, you can't use the impulse bomb either. But then, the simplest ones, you want to get 2 rockets. Alright, so now, you want to go over here. You want to go and go under the map here. It might get patched soon, but if not, there's another way. And I'll show you the other way now. This one's a tough way to go through. I suggest going over there. It's an extra long walk, but, you know, I would still suggest doing that. But over here, there's a hole, and you can try and squeeze through, but if I go that way, I usually use a, telegrenade, or teleport nade. But Yeah, so you just go over here. Go under the map. Oh my gosh. Under the map. And then you want to see, like, do you see all those wires? All those wires and stuff. Ignore like the caves where spiders and mimics are. Just ignore them. You want to go straight through to that. Okay. So now that you're here, you want to grab your grappling. And then you're in planetarium. Easy to get up to planetarium, right? So now you're gonna come to the resource plant. I know, predictable. Some people, they drop multiple bombs and they just put it all. That isn't. You just want to place it right here. There's a point, and you just place it right there. And then you wait for it to explode. It sometimes gives you resource crystals. It gives you resource crystals for that. But to get more, you just want to use two. Then you want to slam your head into it. And now you're big. But, you know. So, yeah, I guess that's the end.